Hey guys, Jacob from MarineMax Panama City Beach. I have the pleasure of showing you today the Grady-White 285 Freedom. It's a beautiful boat. The Freedom line from Grady-White is their dual console line. As you can see, it has the center walkthrough. This one comes in the light gray hull color. In my opinion, that's my favorite. I'm a sucker for that light gray. Powered by twin 300 four-stroke brand new Yamahas. Excellent motors, bulletproof, quiet, reliable, will get you to your spot quick and safely. Let's hop inside. And now that we're in the boat, I'm in the transom side of it, and just notice I have plenty of shade back here. That's helpful because of this oversized T-top that is right above us. In the back of the boat, all Grady-Whites are fishing boats at heart, so there's gonna have fishing features on it. Every Grady-White that you see is going to have an insulated fish box as well as a live well. One really cool thing about Grady is that all of their fish boxes, live wells, even storage compartments have their own draining system straight out of the boat. So you don't have to worry about any of that nasty kind of ice water, bloody fish water getting into your bilge. It'll drain straight out the side of your boat, so you don't have that weird, nasty kind of smell as it over time builds up. In the back here, there is a flip out bench seat. Offers great seating for cruising for extra people. Again, like I mentioned, you have your live well in the back as well as an excellent entry door or tuna door, depending on what style of boating you're doing. Over here, there is a nice little sink for you to wash fruits, food, fish, whatever you might need to, as well as a nice little prep area. Underneath, you have storage drawers. Underneath here, the bottom one is a designated trash can. So you always have a spot to throw away the trash rather than in the water. Keep your waters clean. Another great feature about this boat is this powered lounger chair. Right now it's just pulled back in, but if we wanted to, we could actually move this and extend it out to a farther lounger, providing more comfort. As we move up into the helm, I'm standing here at the helm and there's still enough room for another person. This is very comfortable. This is also powered. There's a switch here. So if you're little like me and need to get a little bit closer to the steering wheel, Grady already had that figured out. This does have the Yamaha upgraded Helm Master, digital throttle, trim tabs, fusion audio system. On the port side, support side, in the console, this is where your bathroom, extra rod storage, or additional storage at that. Plenty of space, very well equipped. As we're finishing into the front of the boat, this is where the entertainment happens. As you notice, you have the full wraparound seating with the bow filler option in it. Let me move out of your way here. This has the option to remove these cushions and makes a giant casting platform. This is the Freedom line from Grady-White. It's the freedom to do what you want on the water, fish or cruising, whatever you want. If you want to know more about it, come see this boat specifically, come see us at Panama City Beach MarineMax. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and if you need anything else, give me a call, 850-819-9106. Thank you.